Dermatomyositis in idiopathic inflammatory myopathy characterized by the proximal muscle weakness and a distinct skin manifestation. Affects adults and the children. Fever predominance. Pathogenesis immune-mediated microangiopathy linked to the HLA, DR3, DR5 and the DR7. What antibodies includes anti-MI2 associated with the Gottram papules and the heliotropic. Anti-Jo1 linked to the interstitial lung disease, arthritis and the mechanic cancer. Anti-P155 and P140 associated with the malignancy and the juvenile dermatomyositis. Cutaneous signs heliotroplasia. Highly discoloration over eyelids, often with edema. Potency papule. Violaceous scaly papules on the knuckles and the extensor surfaces. Phyclodema. Motile pigmentation, telangiectasia and the atrophy. Mechanic hand. Hyperkeratosis over the figure. Systemic features: symmetrical proximal muscle weakness, difficulty rising from a chair or the foaming hand. Dysphagia due to the laryngeal and esophageal muscle involvement. Potential association with the internal malignancy, ovarian, lung and breast cancer. Investigation: elevated serum creatine kinase and the lactate dehydrogenase. Electromyography and the myopathic changes. Skin and the muscle biopsy. Perivascular atrophy, perivascular CD4 T-cell infiltration. Direct immunofluorescence, granular deposits in the affected skin. Treatment: first line corticosteroids, immunosuppressant. Method to exit azathioprine, cyclophosphamide. Skin management: sunscreen and anti-malaria for the cutaneous lesion. Malignancy surveillance, regular screening for the associated cancer. Dermatomyositis, idiopathic inflammatory myopathy with the skin involvement. Anti-MI2, Gottram papules, heliotroplasia. Anti-Jo1, mechanic hand, interstitial lung disease. Anti-P155, P140, paraneoplastic association. Characteristic stash, heliotroplasia and the Gottram papule. Muscle weakness, symmetrical proximal sparring ocular muscles. Histological hallmark, perivascular atrophy with the CD4 plus T-cell infiltration. Complication: malignancy, screen for the ovarian, lung, breast cancer. Interstitial lung disease in the anti-Jo1 positive case. Diagnostic test: elevated CT, LDH level, muscle biopsy for the definitive diagnosis. Treatment: corticosteroid mainstay. Immunosuppressant for the refractory cases. Cutaneous management: sunscreen, antimalarials, hydroxychloroquine. Differential diagnosis: polymyositis and no skin lesion. Lupus erythematosus. Shell sign: rash on the upper back and the shoulder. P sign: rash on the anterior chest and the neck. Mechanic head. Mechanic hand, hyperkeratosis over the palms and the radial finger. Biopsy site: radial biopsy from the big but no non-atrophic muscle.